go to the next song. The next song is by Jaylon and Minz. This one's called Naya's Riddim. If you guys don't know Jaylon, man, Jaylon is a phenomenal producer. Definitely, like, he's based in the UK. He has produced the likes of Psycho IP. I think he has a song with One Day Cole. He works often with like very new age young talents. He has multiple records with Minz now. This song, My Darling, from when was it? This was last year or 2 years ago. Yeah, this was last year. My Darling, an actual bop. Now this is coming from a label called Immaculate Taste. This is one of their new releases, and this one is called Naya's Riddim. Jay and Minz. So if you guys don't even know Minz, that's another problem, man. You guys need to definitely tap into Minz. I got the chance to sit down with him. When was it? I think it was 2020, and he was one that opened my Soaking Gary series, and I got to interview him. Fantastic Afro fusion artist, I guess you can put it in that sense. Now this song is called Naya Riddim. I saw this and I was like, wait, this is an actual picture, and I remember like the Nigerian actress Beverly Naya. So this is kind of like an ode to her, I guess. They're shouting her out on the record. This is quite interesting, but we'll see how it is. We'll see how it goes, man. This one's called Naya's Riddim by Jaylon and Minz. Let's go. Already. See, already, once you hear a bop that you know you're gonna like, once you hear a pattern, like, you already know that this is gonna be something. That bop was, no, immediately. Let's go. This is Minz. This is Minz in his element, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey! Now, what did you do there? Wait. What did you do there? I like that part. Now, Minz was just vibing. Hey, let's go. Okay, it's freestyling. It's a freestyle. So that string is stringing. Hey. Nah. Let's go. Hey! By the time I bang, sorry for your neighbor. This guy says he's going to disturb his neighbor. The same way I'm disturbing my neighbor. People disturb their neighbors in different ways. It's me from blasting music and screaming out loud as I react to them. That's how I disturb my neighbor. But Minz is trying to disturb his neighbor in another way, man. This is mad. I like that line. A lot. Let go. Let's go. Bang. Sorry for your neighbor. Hey. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. This beat is nasty, man. Oh, this is calm. No, loop this. Nah, Jaylon is a fantastic producer, man. Yo, let me add this to my R&B, my Afro R&B playlist, man. This is right in that pocket for me. Let's go. Yeah. Just calm. Just easy keys. Those drums, very minimalist. Like, you know what I mean? Just like soft music. Just something to chill, something to have in the background, something not too heavy on the ear. Like, this is an intimate setting that is trying to paint, and I just like how Minz's vocals sit on this record, man. It's so calm. It's right in the same vein that the song is demanding, and it's so easy on the ear, man. You can see the lamba. The feeling of the song is actually even like it's telling you that this song is meant for the other room. And that line, man, I'm not getting over that line. It said bang, bang, bang. When I go bang, 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 sorry for your neighbor. That was hard. Someone said Afro calm. It's an Afro calm record. Like this is definitely a fantastic laid back tune that, you know what I mean, it's something you just want to have in the background or at least in an intimate setting, you know. I definitely enjoyed this one, man. Jaylon, fantastic, easy, minimalist production there. Those strings were like strong and present throughout the entire song, and you always wanted that pattern, that loop was definitely perfect. Like it didn't warrant too much. It didn't warrant like crazy drum roll transitions. Like he kept it, even the transitions that he did, like the little drum roll like transitions that he had, they were very subtle. They were not like too abrasive into the song. They were not taking away from the vibe. They didn't really switch it up too much in terms of like distracting you. But the song had an energy that was very consistent, but yet like interactive in a way, because Minz will come here and give you cadences that you could actually flow with. And I like that, man. Someone says it's soft like hot bread. It's soft like hot bread. That was a fantastic Jaylon and Minz, like Minz moment, man. I like Minz. He played with his vocals too. If you guys noticed, he was playing with his vocals, with vocal texture, being very dynamic. You know what I mean? Like you can definitely tell that Beverly Naya inspired something from this guy. You can tell, cause the way he was just switching up and like he was just powering in a very soft fashion. And I like it, man. This was good. How you guys feeling about this one? You guys are saying Afro calm, soft like hot bread. 2022 for Minz. Honestly, man. Like I'm waiting for Minz to like take off, like off. I know he's definitely talking. He's definitely in talks. Like he's gonna make a career move for himself that it's gonna like be different. I know he's gonna make a career move for himself very soon. I can feel it. I can feel it in the air for Minz, man. I can feel it in the air. But anyway, that was Minz and Jaylon with a fantastic tune, man. That's definitely getting a heart. Yo, thank you so much for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, it's just my opinion. I would love to know yours in the comment section. That was also a clip off of New Music Friday live stream, where we show up every Friday night, 5:30 EST, 11:30 West African time, where we actually listen to new music, get reactions, and get to vote on each song. It's always a fun ride, so definitely tap in and hit the notification bell if you haven't, okay? That's when you know when we're live, alright? Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the videos on the channel as well, okay? Let's go!